This is the Lockpicking Newbie.
Wait a minute, what? Lockpicking Newbie? I'm going to get more into that in just a second, but let's get started with our Locksport update. Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be this week's Locksport update. This is a very fun video series that I run every single week that serves as a great place for me to update the community on anything that I have been working on, and it also serves as a really great place for the community to share anything that they have been working on. As always, if you have anything at all that you would like to see shared next week, please drop that in the comment section below, and I'd really love to try to share it with everyone. The first thing I'd like to mention this week is Albert Level has now surpassed 700 subscribers, and he has now moved on to 800. He is getting so close to 1,000. It's so cool to watch his channel grow every single day. And what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of his 800 subscriber appreciation video.
All right, y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and it's time for another Subscriber Appreciation Day. Yeah, that's a lot to take in. It wasn't that long ago we did the 700 Subscriber Appreciation Day, and now we're at the 800 Subscriber Appreciation Day. So thank you all so much. It's really a treat. I really enjoy the hobby, and just knowing that people enjoy it as much as I do, and support me the way they do, excuse me, it means a lot to me. It really does. So
thank you so much for checking out Albert Level. He's a really great guy to get to know and a really great integral part of our community. I just want to say it's so fun to watch your channel grow week after week, and I cannot wait to see you get to 1,000 subscribers. But either way, if you would like to check him out and see more videos by him and just see all of his content, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The next channel I'm going to share with you is a channel that was shared with me in the comment section last week. This channel goes by HelpfulLockPicker. HelpfulLockPicker is a really small channel, but he has some really interesting content. And what I'm going to do is roll a really quick clip of his channel for you right now.
On my last video I showed you how to make a cylinder lock into a repinnable one just by tapping out the rivets and refreading and putting some grub screws in. So what I want to do today is I've got another cylinder lock. It's just a half cylinder lock, and what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to make it into a cutaway lock. When I say cutaway, I mean with a section cut away so you can see the pins moving up and down when you're turning it and when you're picking it. So what I'm going to use for this is I've got no machinery, I've got nothing. All I'm going to use is an hacksaw and a file.
Thank you so much for checking out HelpfulLockPicker. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Every subscription makes such a big difference, especially with all the smaller channels. It makes them pop up higher in the search algorithm, get their word out, and it's just such a really great thing to see how we support everyone within our community. The next thing I'm going to mention this week is going to be a channel that I mention quite frequently, and this channel is Lockmania. Unfortunately, with Lockmania, what happened recently is he films all of his content right on his smartphone. He does not do it on the computer at all, and the camera on that phone has now broken. So in the meantime, he's not going to be able to put any content out in the short run, but he is going to be active in the comment sections. So what I'm going to share with you is a quick clip that Doug Picklocks made for him so he could update all of his subscribers on what happened. Thank you so much for checking out Lockmania, and if you enjoy the content he does, you want to try to help support him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. I just want to share with you that he is not going away. He'll be back as soon as he can get a new phone, and I look forward to seeing more great content from you in the future. So one quick update on my channel intros, which I introduced last week. I want to say I've had about 4 or 5 really great submissions, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that has done that. my plan is to get those posted as soon as possible. I'm trying to think of a time frame of what makes sense the most. I already do videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so I feel like maybe doing the video on Monday would be a really great choice. What I'm going to do is put a little poll on the top here so you can vote on what you think would be the ideal day, but for me I feel like Monday should be a great day. I may not post one every week, but I'll post them as I have them available. And I just want to say thank you to anyone that has done that, and if you'd really love to make a channel entry of your own, please send me an email, and what you need to do is just film yourself talking about your channel, sharing some of your setup, and just making a really great introductory video that's less than 10 minutes. And the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a really new part of my LockSport update segment. This was a fun little teaser clip that I just showed in the very beginning of the video of LockPickingNewbie introducing himself. And what he has offered to do is he would like to do a quick little news clip every week as time allows, sharing some really great updates. And what I'm going to do is share the very first news clip from LockPickingNewbie right now.
This is the Lockpicking Newbie with a belt advancement report. Earlier this year, Norwegian lockpicker Terje earned his lockpicking black belt. Along the way, he picked a Trioving Twin Combi, pin tumbler with sidebar and slider, Abloy Classic disc detainer lock, Abloy ProTech disc detainer lock, Asa Twin 2 pin tumbler with sidebar and sliders, Asa Twin 6000 pin tumbler with sidebar and sliders, and an Abloy ProTech 2 disc detainer lock with a disc locker mechanism. Terje accomplished this just 8 months after starting to pick locks. He comments that he has always been interested in locks. One day he decided to learn to pick them, so he ordered a good multi-pick kit and has been hooked ever since. Ha! See what he did there? Terje also likes tool making, which is evident in his videos. He says his motivation is, I want to be able to pick anything. You are you're on your way to that goal, Terje. Congratulations on your achievement. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Back to you, Helpful Lockpicker.
Thank you so much for checking out that news clip. I just want to say it is really cool to see so many new black belts out there and just all of the really great content that is coming out. I really enjoy seeing this community being able to grow, support each other, and just seeing everyone grow as pickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to all of the channels that I mentioned this week in the video description below so you can be able to check them out and being able to subscribe to them. So that is all I have for you this week. I would like to really hear your comments on what you think is a really great date for doing the channel intros. Is anyone interested in doing one? And how did you like the new segment? Please share any of your feedback in the comment section below, and I'd really love to hear it. And if you have any updates at all, please share those below as well. Either way, guys, that is all I have for you this week. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop those in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next Saturday.